Not only beautiful, but delicious as well. In other news, the Windmill Windup is drawing closer by the day. I believe the registrations have already been announced. Isn't that so, Herbie?
Indeed. The Windmill Windup registration closed recently, with over 120 teams hoping to secure one of only 80 spots. Just today, the organisation announced that the Outernationals have been selected for the 2012 edition. The Outernationals play by the credo, mixed ultimate with love. But word on the street is that the Windmill organisers were blackmailed for this spot. Serious accusations indeed.
You call it like it is, Herbie, and I respect you for that. Well, that's all for us here in the studio. Thank you for watching, and good night.